应的最大奖 ，Give it up to Damian
It feel good to be back. I visited the Adidas store earlier that I opened up my rookie year, and just seeing like the updated pictures, seeing it rearranged and be back, I felt like a vet. I felt like another home.
感觉上我回到我的另外一个家了。刚刚我去的 Adidas 的旗舰店，刚才开幕的，什么东西都全新整理过，整个城市也是。我回到这边，除了像家以外，我觉得我是一个台湾的老兵了。
真的好 sweet 的发言。
The camera on your left。
我们这边有比裁判更大的角色在这边。OK。
Here's Ryan， 好，从这个屁孩也很敢做哈，对 ，Yeah，Oh, he's not going slow, he's going fast, he's good, he's fast.Hey, here goes Leia, nice spot, Leia, now let's take this shot， 来过11秒钟 ，only 12 seconds，
Hey, that's my bestie with benefits. You can be my bestie with benefits. You're just my bestie with benefits. Yeah, you're just my bestie with benefits. Thank you. This was a great trip. I'm definitely gonna be back. I appreciate y'all making it such a great experience for me all day today. And especially tonight, enjoying this concert with the rest of the artists, the other players. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for a great time. Good night.